Today's video is going to be at the boat ramp. I'm going to try a new way to launch the boat that I haven't done yet, so we'll see. So here's the plan. Here's the plan today. Usually I don't record the boat ramp stuff because I figure most of y'all know what you're doing. Today I've got a much smaller boat than usual, so I'm trying a new method that I saw on YouTube. So you tie the boat up real good, and then you got about 100 feet of rope here, and I'm going to take this end of the rope and I'm going to put it right here. When the boat backs out that way, the rope should just peel out, and we'll see. I probably should just do it the way I normally do it, but this is going to be a tutorial for me and you. Hopefully nothing bad happens. If it does, Ashley definitely is going to enjoy getting it on camera.
You're diabolical.
Alright, so what I did is I just went ahead and backed the boat down into the ramp. I'm taking one end of it and I'm putting it on that. Okay? Now my plan is when this backs off, because it's tied to this cleat, it should catch. We'll see.
Yeah, I'm sure we will.
Here we go. I'm backing in. I'm gonna back in enough that the boat just floats off, hopefully. There it goes.
She floats!
Put it in a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna stop right there.
A bit more.
Bit more.
Some more, actually. Okay. I'm gonna stop right there. Now, I'm gonna come grab this rope just like this. Bam, bam. Pick it up. Pull the extra slack out of it. Sling it over that.
Like a glove.
Now, I'm gonna come around this side. Done. So, whoever invented that little boat rope idea worked perfect. Ashley said, that was really easy. Like, how come you haven't done that before? Well, my other boat's a bass boat, and I just get in it and drive it off. And then, but this boat I might do by myself sometimes, so I wanted to learn different.
We take it, and then we take the trips.
But worked good.